Good morning, student. Today we will solve the remaining part of practice set 3.3. Right. So here in the second question we have written that simplify. Right. And in the first question, it is written as cube root of 27 upon 125. Right. So we have to find out the cube root of 27, and we have to find out the cube root of 125. Right. So we know for that we will find out the factor of 27 and the factor of 125. 27. So here 27 is there, right? So here 7 is there, means it is not divisible by 2, right? So we will go for 2 3, that is 2 plus 7, right? For the test of 3, 2 plus 7, that is 9, right? So 9 is divisible by 3, so 27 will be divisible by 3. So 3 9s are 27. Again 9 comes in the table of 3, so we will write 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and 3 ones are 3, right? So these are the factor of number 27. Next we will find out the factor of number 125, right? So here 125 is there, right? It is not divisible by 2 because at the ending place odd number is there. Then second one, we will try to add all the numbers, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3, 3 plus 5, that is 8, and 8 is not divisible by 3, therefore it will not come in the table of 3. Next one, that is next prime number, that is 5, right? So here at the ending 5 is there, and we know the test of 5, right? That is, if at the unit place 0 or 5 is there, then that number is divisible by 5. So where 125 is there, means it is divisible by 5, right? So 12 is there, 5 2s are 10, 2 remaining, 5 means 25, 5 5s are 25, 25 is there, we know that is 5 5s are 25. Again 5 is remaining, so 5 ones are 5, we will write this. So this is the factor of 125. So we write here cube root of 27 upon 125 is equal to, right? That is cube root of 27. For 27 we will write 3 into 3 into 3 upon. For 125 we will write 5 into 5 into, right? So here cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 cube, and 5 into 5 into 5 means 5 cube, right? So here for this we can write 3 cube upon 5 cube, right? So only one time we can write 3 upon 5 cube, and here this is cube and this is cube root, right? So cube and cube root will get cancelled, and we will get answer as 3 upon 5, right? Next question, in the second question we have to find out the cube root of 16 upon 54, right? So in the same manner we will find first the factor of 16, then we will find out the factor of 54, right? So for 16, that we know at the ending unit place 6 is there, which is even number, so it is divisible by 2, right? So we know 2 8s are 16, 8 is there, so we write 2 4s are 8, again 2 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2, right? So these are the factor of the number 16. Then we will find out for 54, right? So 54 at the ending 4 is there, means it is divisible by 2, right? So 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining, and 14 is there, so 2 7s are 14. Here 7 number is there, right, which is not divisible by 2, or it is odd number, therefore we will go for next prime number, that is 3, right? So for the test of 3 we have to add the two numbers, so 2 plus 7, that is 9, right? And 9 come in the table of 3, right? So it is divisible by 3, so 3 9s are 27, again 9 is there, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, at the ending 3 is there, so 3 1s are 3, right? So these are the factor of 54, and these are the factor of 2, right? So I will write that, that is cube root of 16 upon 54 is equal to, right, that is cube root of, for 16 I will write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 4 times upon, for 54 I will write 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, right. Here you can see that is in the numerator and in the denominator, right, these two, right, is same, right, so we can cancel that. So remaining is 2 into 2 into 2, so I will write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, right. So we know that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 means 2 cube upon 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 means 3 cube. I will write here one time, right, so cube root of 2 upon 3 and then cube, right. So here cube root is there and here cube is there, so cube and cube root will get cancelled and we'll get the answer as 2 upon 3. Then here last question, that is if cube root of 729 is equal to 9, then we have to find out the value of this, right? So first I will write the question as cube root of 0.000729 is equal to how much, right. So first, right, we have to write for this, right, after this is in the decimal point, right, so we have to convert into normal fraction. So after the point, right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 digit are there, right, so we'll divide it by, right, that is 1, then after 6 0 will be there, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right, and since we are dividing by this number, right, so we have to remove the decimal point, right, so the number will be 729, right. Then we have to find out the cube root, right, we know the cube root of this, right, that is cube root of 729 will be 9. We have to find out the cube root of these three, right, so how we will do, first, this we can write as separate cube root of 729 upon cube root of this bigger number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, right, so we know that is for cube root, right. Cube root of 729 we will write the answer as 9, so I will write here 9 upon, right, here we have to make cube root, we have to find out, right, so we'll make a group of, means 3 group we have to make, right, here 10 means around 10 lakh is there, right, 10 lakh means, right, 10 how many times we have to write, right, so we write 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 times we will write 10, so 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, right, so here 6 times I have written 10, that is 10 lakh, right, so here we will write 9 upon, right, again, right, in the same manner, right, how we find out for cube root, right, here we have to make 3 groups, right, so I will make a group of 3, right, that is these two, then these two, and then these two. 10 into 10, that is 100, so I will write here 100 multiply by 100 multiply by 100, right, so here 9 upon cube root of 100 3 times means 100 cube, right, and here 9 upon, here cube and cube root will get cancelled, so I will get 9 upon 100, right, so 100 is there, if we have to write in decimal point, right, so in there, here in the same manner after point 6 digit are there, so I have written 10 zeros, right, here opposite is there, that is 2 0 are there, so we'll go 2 place left to this number, right, so 2 0 is there, so now point is here after 9, so I will write point 1 and 2, right, so I will write 0 9.0, right, So this will be our answer of cube root of 0.00729 is equal to 0.09. Right? I hope you have understood this problem set, practice set 3.3. Thank you for watching.